Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Study with me. Guys, first I want to say if you think this channel is helpful for you, then subscribe my channel because I am giving new topics video every day for you. Today I want to discuss about vitamins. Vitamin, it is comes from Latin word. Vita means life. Vitamins are organic component in food that are needed in very small amount for growth and for maintaining good health. Everybody must eat a certain amount of vitamin to stay healthy. Vitamins are chemicals found in every small amount in many different foods. Characteristics of vitamins are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. Water soluble vitamin cannot be stored in human tissue. Their excess is excreted with urine. Significant amount for fat soluble vitamin can be stored in adipose tissue and the liver. Synthetic vitamins are identical to natural vitamin. Function of the vitamin are helpful for the health and life of the body in the following respects. They build up the resistance of the body against disease, prevent and cure various diseases caused by deficiency, help the digestion and utilization of mineral salt and carbohydrate in the body, stimulate and give strength to digestive and nervous system, help health protection, help maintenance of proper health and normal growth. Classification of vitamins. There are mainly two types of vitamin: fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin that dissolve in fat because fat is easily stored on our body. Fat soluble vitamin can be stored within our fat. This means they can accumulate and be saved for later use. The fat soluble vitamin are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Now water soluble vitamins that dissolve in water because our body is a watery environment. These vitamins can move through our body pretty easily and they can also be flushed out by the kidney. Water soluble vitamin include the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. There are 8 B vitamins including vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9 and vitamin B12. Why need vitamins to our body? Vitamin and minerals are considered essentially nutrient because acting in concert they perform hundreds of play a role in the body. The helps shore up bones, heal wounds, and bolster our immune system. They also converted food into energy and repairs cellular damage. Deficiency of vitamin. So many problems create in the life by the deficiency of vitamin, but today I just tell about some problem which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin. For example, mouth ulcer. It around the mouth may partly be linked to an insufficient intake of certain vitamins or minerals. It can cause vitamin B. Hair loss. Hair loss is a very common symptom. Up to 50% of adults report hair loss by the time they reach 50 years of age. Iron. Too little iron can cause hair to stop growing or fall out. Zinc. Zinc deficiency may cause hair loss. Source of iron and zinc: meat, fish, egg, dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are good source of iron and zinc. Niacin or vitamin B3. This vitamin is necessary for keeping hair healthy. Source of vitamin B3 or niacin: meat, fish, dairy, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, please subscribe my channel.